Good morning, it's day 55 and we just left Miller Lake and we descended from Miller Lake, which is really weird because we had to climb up to a lake and now we're climbing down from the lake. So we just nestled in on top of that mountain. And today, what we've got ahead of us are two big climbs. We've got two big passes to ascend. We've got Benson Pass and Seavy Pass. So it's going to be a long, hard day. We did it. We made it to the top of Benson Pass. It was a tough one. And this calls for a celebration. So it's payday time. Kat, I have a question to ask you.
What's that?
Would you rather climb up a pass that's super steep but very short in distance, or gradual grade and longer distance?
Gradual grade and longer distance.
Yeah.
I hate steep.
Yeah.
passes.
This was a tough one because
burns you out really fast.
yeah, it was steep at the very
Feel
end.
shaky.
Yeah, so it just takes a lot of energy when it's really steep. But we did it, and we're gonna rest up here and head down a little ways and have lunch and maybe a little nap, and then we gotta climb another pass before we head to camp. Seavy Pass is up next. This is the top of Benson Pass. We made it before the rain. Hopefully it won't rain on us. Well, we headed down just in time, just as we started down Benson Pass. Here comes the clouds, the thunder, and the rain. So we're headed down as quickly as we can. This is Medberg Lake. Funny name, Medberg. That's what this is. Medberg Lake. We left our siesta spot, what time? Around 3:45 or 4. So about 2 hours ago. And we've been hustling trying to make it up Seavy Pass before the weather kicked in. You can see it's gray behind me. And it's sprinkled, thundering. We made it to the lake, which is at the top, which you can see right there. And we were able to get a little bit of water. We've got about 1.7 more miles to go before we get to our campsite. So let's hope and pray the weather holds off, and not too much more climbing. 2 passes in one day with lots of climbing, intermittent climbing in between, is enough for these old knees and legs. Yay, we made it to camp and the rain has moved on, and it looks like we're gonna have a pretty sunset. This is the view from my tent. So beautiful view, and we also have a river or creek down below us that's rushing and making a pretty sound. So we're gonna hopefully get a good night's sleep tonight. But I know my knees are hurting and aching, so it's gonna be double Advil tonight.